Creating professional product videos normally requires a camera, lighting, design, and a complete setup, not to mention the time and budget that all of this implies. The problem is that not everyone has these resources available. Whether you are an entrepreneur just starting out, a content creator on a tight budget, or simply someone who wants to promote a product quickly and effectively, production constraints can rapidly become a major obstacle that holds you back from growing your business and your online presence. But now, all of that is a thing of the past. Thanks to the power of artificial intelligence, you can create product videos worthy of the biggest brands using nothing more than a single image, transformed into a stunning, professional-looking promotional video in just a few minutes, in one click, with absolutely no complicated editing required. No camera. No studio. No team. Just you, your product image, and the right tool. Let me show you something truly mind-blowing. Everyone, I want to introduce you to FlexClip, an all-in-one platform that is going to completely change the way you create content. FlexClip offers powerful AI tools, more than 6,000 impressive templates, as well as a royalty-free resource library, to help you create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. FlexClip is also a complete online video editor. You can edit and assemble your AI generations or your video clips directly on the platform, without needing another editor to finalize your content. And the best part, it is extremely easy to use. FlexClip integrates several very powerful AI models, including image to video, text to video, AI video effects, using FlexClip's native models but also other cutting-edge generation models such as Seedance 2.0, Kling, VO3 and many more. Script to video, you simply provide your script, choose your video style, and FlexClip automatically generates a complete video. Blog URL to video, product URL to video, which is the one we are going to use a little later, and even the conversion of PPT or PDF files into video, with a truly high-level design. You therefore have access to multiple AI models in one single place, without having to juggle between different platforms to produce your content. And that is not all. FlexClip also offers AI music generation models, as well as text-to-speech using the engines of Google, Minimax, Microsoft, ElevenLabs, Fish Audio, Qwen, and even the real human voice from ByteDance, the one used in their Seedance 2.0 model, available in multiple languages according to your needs. FlexClip is a platform that acts both as a creative director and an art director, and even handles the execution for you. You don't need to think about complex prompts. And I can tell you that it costs you absolutely nothing to get started. To generate your product ads, FlexClip offers you 3 distinct options. The first option is to use a predefined template and adapt it to your product. To do this, head over to the templates section and search for the type of product you want to promote, for example headphone. FlexClip will then suggest several models. I select the one that suits me best. Choose your aspect ratio, then click on AI Recreate. All you need to do next is upload your product image, click on Generate, and FlexClip does everything automatically. Here is the result. And honestly, the video is very impressive. The second option is found in the AI Tools section. Search for the AI product URL to video model. This option is particularly useful if you have a website containing your own products, or if you sell on platforms like Amazon or eBay. Simply paste your product URL and FlexClip automatically extracts all the necessary information. The third option allows you to enter your product information yourself. You enter the name and description of your product. You add your image. And you can add several if you have different angles or specific visuals. Then you click on Next. You then configure your aspect ratio, the language, the voice for your product, the voice style, which you can disable if you don't want it, and the subtitles. I select the style that suits me and I click on Generate. This generation costs us only 4 credits. Let's look at the result.
Tired of midday slumps and sugary drinks that leave you feeling sluggish? Why settle for ordinary when you can fuel your body with liquid gold? Introducing Vault Citrus Blend, the premium 100% cold-pressed juice designed to energize your life. Every bottle captures the vibrant essence of hand-picked fruits, delivering a smooth, golden taste that is as luxurious as it is healthy. It is more than just a drink. It is your daily fuel. Whether you are powering through a workout or starting your morning, Vault provides a clean, natural boost of energy with zero compromises. Elevate your lifestyle and taste the difference of pure freshness. Serve chilled, drink bold, and unlock your potential today.
If you want to test it for yourself, make sure to check the link in the description. Honestly, this tool completely changes the way we create product content. Regarding pricing, FlexClip's offer is very accessible. You can go for the Plus plan or the Business plan, for only $19.99 per month, which allows you to generate a large volume of content without breaking the bank. So yes, if you have always wanted to create product content that truly looks professional, without spending a fortune, this is probably the simplest and most effective way to get started. And that is not all. FlexClip has also just added a particularly powerful new tool, long to short. This tool allows you to automatically transform a long video into a short, punchy format ready to be published on your social media. Try it for yourself and see how far you can push it. If this video brought you value, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment to share your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you very soon.